Hello traders, Matt Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders Concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date is Thursday the 8th of June 2017, and we've got a real packed day in terms of risk events. We've got the UK election unfolding. Not going to know those results, however, until late on tonight, early hours of tomorrow morning, most likely. But obviously throughout the day there's going to be some final polls. There's going to be some sentiment as the day progresses that will start to develop and show a clearer picture. So that's a lot harder to trade, and you're probably better off just waiting until the result is clear. But before that, on the docket, we've got the ECB press conference. Mario Draghi is widely expected to reduce the inflation outlook for the Eurozone out until 2019. So as a consequence of that, that would mean lower interest rates for longer, and that could be the catalyst we've been looking for weakness in the euro. At the moment, you're not going to see much movement. At the very best, you'll probably see a spike up, some type of failure, or look for that, and then boom, down, if he does indeed have that dovish negative tone in the presser. So you're going to have the press conference on live. Hopefully you're able to do that, otherwise it'll be a bit challenging because you're not going to get the information you need to make some choices. But what you'll tend to see is, if you don't see a full structure failure of some description, meaning you have some type of retracement that fails or some type of breakout that fails, what you'll tend to see is a big candle head in one direction first, and it will look positive, right? This will be a green or whatever color positive is to you, and then all of a sudden it'll evaporate and then reverse hard, and you'll get like an outside candle trap, and that's tradable. So you'd look to sell it and place your stop above the trap itself. So it's probable that this might just spike these highs before it drops, if it's going to, because there's going to be some stops above there, so it might as well hoover some of those up before it drops. If it drops, obviously we're going to have to wait and see how that plays out. So be a little bit careful today. It is going to be challenging for people. If you're new to trading, you might want to sit on the sidelines and just watch it unfold and gain that experience of seeing how these things play out. If you're trading it, good luck today. It is trading an election result is always challenging because of the shifts and turns and twists that occur throughout the course of that unfolding. So just be a little bit careful with that. And anyone who'll be trading that, the safer way is to let the results come out, understand it fully, see what the market reaction is, and then attempt to try and get involved. But in terms of what's up first, we've got the ECB, and as I say, this is probably how it will look if it is going to sell off. Obviously, if it's not as dovish in tone as it's been leaked on several occasions over the last couple of days, you know, we're going to see we're probably going to see the euro continue this mighty charge, which lots of people think is too expensive now. There's total dislocations from the standard correlations that you would generally see. Those correlations do come back into play even when they do dislocate over time, so things like interest rate differentials, etc. There's no way it should be as strong as it is, but yeah, today could be that catalyst, or it could just be a resumption of the trend. So okay guys, if you'd like to come and join me in my brand new inner circle, click the link below. I'll see you on the inside.